You come and say, oh, God, you're going to do so.
Okay.
Come back to so.
Maybe I'm in Commander Crisis, me radio. Now, Takuradian, their brother, CEO, director of our line. So, upon Yamaha, there must have 790.3. Now, if you're called it, a radio, open your me about your DD, say. Okay, I do not run and never pay you know. See, okay. Now, me patrol, oh, shop will be. Now, I don't know, commercial Santiago as a football club or more brand, or more young Majuma. No more, my phone, no more tonto, more Jesse say, just go to bottom. To but up obet me I just come maybe patch me from back and say yen said in the line you know friend back now because all church and kakra obet and say you know see when I'm didn't come about to mommy said this time yeah opa what to make again oh great okay so say the pa me patch sunshine CB my aha na me bao me tio a wo se omode no ye strike omode no ye Adidas but your kotokofo design bi omo Jesse design bi na moto anya omo design different design na me pacho kotoko logo no people kotoko anya people logo anya aba ya che na no no boy acha anya uzo mo dia me se ko mo wa so what dia me mo ayo original where is different where about house no budget so here I put so dia ni top one to mo se dia top now now what about ani nya ye to so so say club no almost mo bo mo kro no menim de the base on so de ya okay moko police station asembe na mo kai ya police station ye je ana when police panika de ya I start to put that here na I was only over the idea na that's all by the camera na the picture I don't think media chipta okay then what they want to do and we our the force I want to you no one job do na the camera I want to get in my different I want to have a young guy tell a friend me not the phone up really young guy we now and together you know yeah can't be ready. Come up there. What are you? No, over here. So, yes, yeah, you. I'm just you. Yes, so. So, yes, yeah. What about if I what you over? I get the girl. Which is so nice. No, Monaco to pay no money on Macassa, money paying for Nakasa. Yeah, I'm not a bush. And he had to go.
Na me opanyin no ma mo be che mo no na ne se no osi ye ni case no se mo ma ye den
ama me ba chi na me no so ka ya pen ke ina sa ene ina ye nya me ko papa o si je yes do ba to no ama chen to mo die ye ya ko pa pe no ama ye kam o ba ni ye ya ni je mo ba de so ba no de chana mai sa ka le de ya be chana ni ka ni de ja me ya just ni ma ni ni ya ni ni ba ku a ye ni ke do silver aba e ku pe ni ba ye ne aba ana wo de ni strike wo ni strike wo yo je ni bi wo so mo je mu aha e ka no de bi pe so e je ka sa so na ni yo ye ye na mo ni na bua e je wo jo je ni na me ko no ki ya ya
Jana mo jina mo nya bush marketing bia
oh yeah I'm here to store I'm here to never get it for you never to store I'm on this now I'm not only back on that upon you papa I want to go up I'm not up the door yeah the near the papa you never go around it was only one come share the number there man they can buy it again and get by you know who any yeah check yeah you said before yeah check the money you know what that's why I'm watching for now I'm going to do it ever
na me che de wo kana na chese momo kwaje free ba bi momo kwaje free o kuma si jo we si wa Jesus ne ho na egu Open 7.3 FM be da wase okay yemfa no ensio na ye Takoradian Air Brothers ACO na yene no ADM command ni nyina no ya Santero complaints amokoye enso police station say ambush market na koso nkofo bi ton omo fake jerseys emra club no main jerseys no enso ego shops aro ibedi nkomo kakra e dey first Santero for end ho oben amankwa US rofia bano former solid FM. Yeah. Oh, great. Welcome. For US, there. Fear in about US. Excuse me, anyway. That's what check me 7 8 years. Can we room when I'm on signal? I cheap pride in the Diana. I said, to 2 answers in Bianca. More about 10 years. And so issue. Carbon 1 month or 1 month. But when cotton. But over them, about telling some now what can know, so call railways who are. You go baby. As I seriously. I was about the tire race. I was about the tire race. I was about the fountain. I came, I'm a fat that's a new Ken, 10th June. And James could see up here in a list. No, Macaf 23 months squad. No, or Macaf, no more first train on where no, and that's so any back put it the whole now. The Dino must start it. Or mom, first training. Try me back. So, best 6 days. My name come because chips are line so chips are good afternoon. Now, I want to say. If you have a call, already. Na menim de ese anu amokochi ni pa na be ne mpan for na be adi nkomo ya Takoradian Brothers no mo tom fake jerseys according to mo se complaints amokoye no police station menim wona na ade no down one na odi animo sala sansa ne city
the home staff will be at camp. Shake your pictures in the other. Yeah, we'll see them. Janea. And never die. Come to me, I shop. And I cut them. I'm not shop. I'm not doing them. And then about the set of change. It's me, the protection. About there's not still none of the set. Silver Sports. Shop the share in the other some display click strategies young council for Toby evidence Toby as I make arrangement and didn't say it's a head police central police station and then the new police central police station and a panel, one police officer Reverend Anan, Dr. Reverend Anan was sworn in, man in the park ceremony of the money of the Gantini Bay. The man is so update on.
Okay. Now, you see, you know, one of the commotions here. Or say, Bacope and a mobile ya never na no crowd, Cogino railways, when a railways or Cadoca, one of Jesus the go be pray. Now, Momo Diana, a strike, no, or Modiana, a Adidas, and only Togo Adidas stop and down. Inti, where Adidas, we are striking, when say, Mononia, BPS, more report or more police.
And the pictures with the social media. Silver Sports. What did you say? I did that, another striker, aside from it is a next striker. The trademark registration for strike is being anybody in Ghana. The power of the exclusive writer, what agreement many protocol assign here a scale of all implications from the left and parameters of protocol. The organic to me, you are better anything protocol on the mandate issue. There are two cases here. The fact that Robo apparent on a offense, and then a silent strike and another offense.
Oh, okay, but not just a more coin and Munya be toya, Munya, the next Friday, because now also making a case on say, dear, a warm morning, yeah, Jesse Sakotoko, I took him that Danny Binana or more air tomo and Sanya Manana.
That I the mark there.
Or say Adidas. Or say Adidas.
Okay, but as I said, I don't know police going here, we have the so, or scientists are making the evidence for now, or the police for the same kind of the boss of the message. Now, I call the two, the smart comment the two. Now, after more, catching the following week, and a few days, or what would you gather? The Papa also, I know this year, I was here, young man to make much rare. But now, what I found them shoot the 2 days in Pano. And that's okay. We are interested. We look up a sports. Then omit naturally because we want to go to the bottom of this. International information my papa shop over to you. And also we do
Chips and sense I would tell when you saw right, you know, from a Santa Cotoco, one of Monday Manginan, as always crucial right says autono. Difficulties in when you since I didn't Yama Bagana about some bush market and this animal cosson.
Yes, which is the main difficulty and the discussion here. Also, Shelby, in our and almost from the man. I don't hear that answer for the correct on the right. It's usually now to mentioning sort of the open cafe. The beer, no more on 41 as a woman. In one more important, sure we deny that. So why would you go with Ghana? With a permanent trio. Then you know, a son, men come for you.
Oh, more time. All the time to also say by be a year or 6 months or baby, sir.
My mom is here, but also because they need the piano, the Monamutontino. And need the piano, the Monamutontino. The capture of say a boss of a country, yeah. Both young from the tongue with you. And they said that for almost be able to almost be the mom of the home. That would be money. Not a good jacket chair. All by the home in my young year. This one, you know, what you are area of the friend or your muffler. You back. Or by you know, now the bread. The Tianica.
Okay.
The shop war. The Tianica man and the shop was there. Better check the shop war than say, or the comment here. I'm not probably having tax shops, but I'm not saying you're doing the other hand. The big shop with Tianica. Oh, but the my own man say, I'm not issue, said the same. But you do not push on the moon. If the sound of one and better, from my question, any more. At least I take the example now. A month for a month, you need to be our weakness. There should be a severe punishment to one of them, so that they are doing so. And now, when they respect, and I'm the same kind of would particular of them would get angry and one. But you know, say, you would be a down. Sata Bucket in my a muffler name, tenant, not for dry, and a more time. But for the first strike, copy. I have on that same down. It's time for you also to mention the puzzle. So, I have a souvenir, Libya, and then I'm Washington. I am the man on the point. But you know, after I did, Yamanabano, I don't know one, you know. And on I say, you know,
as a chief, I won't just a Busasem anymore. Where the money of Busasem? Because we didn't just a be for the side, honestly, very disastem. The fact at least almost a need the same. Say, yeah, example, say, and then I am you. I cannot be the sponsor for Kotoko forever. Or can be obliged. There doesn't mean that I'm urban or a captain or the shape. So, no dream of Pasiata. So, this year, or 35. Meanwhile, what did you say? 100 Ghana on. I don't know, did you win? Just saying 35.
I hope so, yes. You would already 35. Any area, 300. The companionship. To compare the quality communities, we are with the idea and we're careful. If you take into consideration, they are on why now also already 35 now.
Okay. Chiefs, you better say, we be able to about being better people. Okay. I know you see also chiefs, I don't know. The customer, we chiefs, say no. Not just and the BT and ye Kotoko and a Takrodian brothers and yes, a individual
general idea.
Maybe person who say a sad case with
strike and a Takrodian.
No, a Kotoko.
And then because me chiefs are also since I'm a tall right here. Yeah, free Kotoko for
yeah, chiefs are
tall right.
Yeah,
it is also or do be court on form court.
Yeah, chips are representing Kotoko after buying the record Kotoko and a ton right in the man. Also, can say Kotoko logo no, ebom, and also so cry issue. If it's not Kotoko and logo no, kind of the engage, you be a JC na the brand. But everything Kotoko and your more paraphernalia, it be a omo handkerchief or more eche, or more JC or mata, they be a year Kotoko, be a Kenny a dear home, and it supported team. No. Yeah, the right in the match chips are. The chips are no is now acting as the middleman for Kotoko, so it is still Kotoko. Meaning so what I say. Saying Kotoko the anka came say bia Okofa JC binabia yem fan say and I bina say Kotoko logo ne but en chips are strike ni idea in can the chips and to me but because kotoko the right in the amount almost so agiska or chips aho nti I to say there nka kotoko ne beba magiska o want to na obegine mai there I am man nti everything kotoko bia wo fa na e fall under chips ade na chips are betumi abem but it is still kotoko but just that kotoko company for no emma because they giving the right to chips.
Okay. But that's also for
me from some more. And 6 players mudi a copy a hono was a shot 23 and I say I throw out oh na Kim out no na say we I can't say 6 days 10th now I saw the list
I was started training now out
me who Majid Waris edin Abdul Majid Waris
out of form.
Yes, out form. Me sanso hu Ebenezer Ofori out for no. Thomas Ejapon came out for no kan. Nuhu Musa former Wafa player no so na the din. Alasan Mohammed has a folk defender. And Abdul Fatah. We money 6 players came out no. I mean who mudin and susu king.
Yes, I'm going to training bia and you training bia.
Oh, ticket we nye training kuku bia.
And I don't cheers card on quite.
Oh, king so mo ka ko hekru mo bi on ko order. Obi a na obi koji pedium kakra. Dey be he chiri king. Na king Yakuba be free kru mo enne. Oko Burkina. I will say ono chiriano. And so okoye wo ho na so kogu chiri ano ontumi nwu a ene nwanwa sempinfo so hwa branti sa branti nko Burkina nko gu chiri ano e wo Burkina Kenya kremofo e bia na wa heya so gu oba bia ahwede o tena ba bia o wi a obete ne den tinanka be hese momo ma branti na enko
osafo chewa ni
Kim you sorry Kim sorry Kids, I can't be last story. King, there's this boy, Waba Kumasi Asante Kotoko, or you justify. Matthew Kelvin Ando, and Omubo game against Asokwa Deportivo Kotoko. King and Branton won the Soyewo. Adakujacho. King is one and so catch. Na Salo Bears idea.
What's you saying?
Obo Brace and 2 goals.
Okay, now that there's only go.
Almost 3 na Collins Ameya. I share the last goal. It's again in some cry.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, Kim. I'm in chair over us, man. Now, yeah, we will be am channeling now. Mr. Philemon Baden of Diamond Cement. Kim. Chips are a new my clerk. Was initially now AI 2 hash. But Raman your my clear and Utin some chips I did 2 jar can no blame chips in ye because we all admit say not quite lenient on that particular tangent or how they manage that particular aspect of revenue from the Buano Monsakeska. But I have measures I would do a chips I will boss you and ya. You should say so when you be a what's some the crowd and now first time I will tell some now. You agree with measures at Chips Kiki. You will never describe it as harsh. Because this is somebody from the word go out right if you Kumasi Asante Kotoko. If I could call every product ye ton everybody bonting the chefano. The clothing aspect of Kotoko. And yes or buy and I no seize bia. Pay what Chips is saying. Oma enough time. Say obia dia all turn ebe flu na umboka. And that is very, very important. It's a Jacko na wotonwa odi eton. So he had meetings with some of the people. And omu didi hun komo. And son about do this time. And kin the worst aspect of it na say we know according to Chipsano and Adidas. And in the course of the program na make asano they sent me a picture of Ken the Abranti and the Tony. And a top and down strike boom. That is the picture I've seen. Me who guy in the all Tony there. But the memes I can't say a strike top and down. Strike new guasia. See a misaka picture. And Ken say, who just strike na gumu de anya you are exceeding all measures because kenu fa krom sesi a obo kotko Jesus bebre you conform side you kotko Jesus kra Nike wo man force kid I hope you get my point because before say chips am obebem no na ekwan kotko fa so yo mo nyoma na emu of kakra na open obia timi twa bi gumu obia timi ton obenya kotko polybag na obi ton kotko polybag at the end of the day nisika ne mba kotko ekoni pa no but after say kotko streamline omo ho a omo ja bibia say chips and san no kra ne ye ba kope he also had meetings with them and per what he's saying he went to the extent say obi dia kra no atwagu oje de begu shop ho etuaka nti so from that yini die yes ken a branch any argument no and say oba togo de ne o Chelsea de o your Liverpool de o your Manchester United de o ken Chelsea ni Manchester United no mo ntwa mani be hwe Africa em be hwe mu jesia obi atwagu ma oton nti ana free zone and the mobia but if indeed ka Chelsea for a streamline and come Chelsea shop wa ha and ka wa also turn then they will deal with you but omo baby omo pom sika firi na Africa de any sheda nka ho sa Ghana de any nka because omo mu hwe Asia market no so they will deal with obia obetwa fake product agum in the Asia market they will deal with you but Okroma is not inform ho but kotoko ni de otikroma ya ela sense no kotoko no so de tumi a se obi nsa first na kotoko fa tumi nse obi a se kotoko de tumi a se obi nsa aje ho mfa so de enti nipa no so a oni kotoko enter into that business agreement no ono so making sure say the investment a why in kotoko no so mboka enti nka I would have been a bit sad senka chips abai na no nke we be yi obi afi ho but on more time he work with you on them joy and kin bibia the main distributors no so if you meet the main distributors now no kasa e say spread the call ma omo tonton one by one no but the other chips ammonia brain say when a striker just foforo this is not Adidas pay what they are saying we any Adidas it when you say after say strike for ndom just buy and abrantie no so ko fire and I say nipa o twa no so ko fire and we twa ne de aguma ono so turn at a cheaper price is directly affecting our investment on my okay so fast akwa so dia ya ye kabia ma wan e be edin kakra senke Adidas ne kra dia enka will go like okay ye nya botre but as long as chips tamu insist a strike and we twa agum nan o sha dey almost started tracy free baby because ken ye kotko bobo baba I was obi ton Adidas no ultimate ton free but when they were more keen at the obeta strike ni bi agum because na more than this abaso asese kotko use so and when I know many wo they almost started tracy free oboase and omunya obi a all ton strike no into one person then omo hwe de ho na ton ma o no ma did omo didi a kira ko hu de okofa ni bebre bae so what yes chip say ya omo kita odie with the man na enya so omo koto baako no person who so betimi provide omo with more than one na so mo trace it to the next level and ya kwa ko ni popotia after such strike just bad when ya sika wakotwa thousands abadugu moton because I watch nipa na oton baako na ono baako na one pe but you have to trace it to the larger source nti I want to say so many kire instead the brand here so mo sa so no impolo he's not their main target. Their main target is the main distributor. On what Fabas is all spreading nationwide. I may be crack up more boss, a whole more target. Because I know the large sums of profit are about affect your business. I say, Kromano, you won't see a year to my dear. But what Tremor Sabi, you are right, basically, I want to be right to so start free. So we be try and put yourself in the shoes of another person. And pay all the consultations at just somewhere, you know. Can they be fair? Was a skekes here? So Obama could contact there. Obama could go raincoat. Obama could go justice. Obama could go bats. Can a huge investment? So not profit free. So and at the end of the day, profit club and crack could cost so. Nisha contractor chips somewhere. You know, do one could cost one. Can the moment to target Kotokono? If I say the maiden edition. The pilot system. O target in Yakotokope. Because all these big kid sponsors are you bomb deal abuchin. They started from somewhere. It was successful. No move to a different club. No, they can no I can see. It's at the first club, no, and breaking it down financially. There's no way you will extend and grow as a business. I feel say it's a case study. Chips and I to just say, if you have more friendly and any mebusu name or fast, he wants to stretch the case to the last point. He said they should handle it one. And be idea, a bit guided that particular aspect. So, person with Tobia. Because Kim say, oh, top 500 JCs. There's no way I win a commission. And feed the deal now. Who come office where they will give you a commission. Because you're also saving them amount of money. There is no way about pay 500 JCs. If you strike for her, unya commission and now unya on fast. But when it's an answer, who more pen fast boom against them. And can ready. I should be a trap fake tickets. Anywhere, unya trap fake ticket near so more. SM running with.
Okay.
So no soon so line of defense. The case no stretching you could do quarter. On the legal team, no so your line of defense. But I think say above on things say no. Ubi all plans so be bino. Now I careful kakra. Sometimes you crew man. Young family council and boy in then see we in of the troubles. Can blasters and some. They're interesting. Coach a question up here. They say you move your high in Insimbia, Rebecca. The air canning is simple. It's a set Ghana Baby Drew Kutokano near Kutakap. The here I am. Yea, and found the prayer question up your bed drop it. You found the quote a question up your back on the better bench. And you found the question up your bed captain. The enemy said, you be drew Ghana near Kutakap. Asa?
Yeah, pressure Benarito.
And your pressure Ken. See, I ain't for. The last time I knew this outcome. Maybe that's one and a first president of Ghana. Obiaba can say Kwame Nkrumah and Kwame Nkrumah vice. The world acknowledges winners and your second place. And then your third place. And then you do fourth. And then you go keke. That is the fact. Say see a deputy minister say Nkrumah. Do those say the penny mom. Opa for. Near started. Deputy Minister of Health. You got any part 10 will be Deputy. Oh, we don't acknowledge who is second. The world acknowledge winners. First, Asa. Obia is Noel Armstrong. On the first person. We see moon so. One day second. Second person to land on the moon. And fire. First, you hear. It's in a Ghana for 32 years and over still. Yes, he ends a couple. And Kaka second. 2015 year second.
Don't say I cover close to 37 years.
No, what we are looking for the Ghana pen. I see a budget. And yes, I didn't twice way. The air pen is a budget. That is the argument, okay? Second, a car 10, a car 4. And Ghana did 4 for baby, and there's nowhere. You because why 30 years and counting. Can't cast asam. You know, I hope you are a cassa room near copper medal and can you be resend yet 4th semi-final on your baby. Thank you, ever cancel. And then Liverpool, Man City, pray. 1 point. The whole season, Liverpool lose 1 Premier League game and 4 Biaho. They will go down. History no say a pet. Clubs are the Premier League now. Yeah, first season now Liverpool now 97 points and don't change. You'll be winning and cancel. The Americans said that season, Man City in nobody will be interested in the second. Say, see, a European a team said League, no, and Cobo competition, and for Liverpool count. But maybe we go Italy, no. No points at Liverpool, now crowd also change champion. And I also cry change, the whole spirit, dear, but I'm fire, dear Yanni, the OJ Cup. So, yeah, dear, say, the question appeared in the 26 that, no problem. So, or 23 that I'm fire. Say or the jog in the bef pick up. So or the weight lifting and the befan 23. So or the obenum so kesi and the befan 23. So or the fusu na befan 23. Yet dear any man say or mining in the 2 years and then say or managing the technical department. Decisions were taken yena. There was no influence from any place. Decisions were taken Ghana for yeah yenene nya adwene. yen nyina ate ase even the president ba mu say Asamoah Gyan Kronte asen kwesi de na ne koye oso oye the captain and one e course so that was what happened into the 23 no say because omuko keke ball and omuko beach no mako gym oso omu the 23 yes sir yen ka he on kwaje cap ne mbra
okay Albert a champion and the brand na fakakrabre
well on the Kwesiapia issue Makano has said without emotions Ghana are no favorite for the cup but over how consistent we've been in the AFCON any expectation is so high obey expects Ghana need behind the choir could Kwesiapia fast near woman and some Rofuni Discani the Omonere to announce Medibino 2 years not Ghana for also build a team. It didn't take 4 years for you to build a team, especially for a country or a cathedral of the AFCON. The Ghana Libya say per the amount of money that we put in, we sky in the AFCON no be into a bina. Let's just say a bad year. I'll see who said the players now hosted the cap on Amubia who said yen ya de bagan. But it is still important. See a beshe asema adoka and say Uncle see here, no matter whatever we say, but yen share the realities on the field of play. Countries that are serious, that don't deal with politics in terms of call up. Won't take Brazil for the 30 players about to make a tournament. 23 solid. There's no politics. The quality will be assembled. Oh, who has some kind. Now, baby, will be our car, but at the end of it all, the quality is assembled. Kids are all share added from defense. Or shall I say from Musa Nuhu? The Musa Nuhu I know, he has no business to be part of the list. This is a player I know from Wafa. Local blaster Obobia. He was even playing ahead of Ahmed Adams and all those players, but he wasn't exceptional. He wasn't exceptional. The usual Ureba announce you don't ask him Nebia. And with the height, Wafa no boy, it is possible so be not chance go out there to go and play. Until almost so free more actually wha. Enemy who be. Mohamed Al-Hassan was scored up based on a house ni ya free Kotoko for Uncle Count. That was the reason why he was scored up. Into case or no free man. Oh, check the difference now. In terms of so here time I will be about the difference in the Kobe was right will be out there. So check it time inconsistent. The POB be but the pedestal and the platform are not the same. So we bought US League, or we bought French League, or we bought German Bundesliga, or we bought UEFA Champions League, or we bought Europa Crana, the training regiments, the coaches of Omoya Juma, and a platform on not to see a kind a bed is what they had the Ebekaku. But the reality is that he was called based on politics. And yes, I Nadia. But the level of a person has Sambo in the Afghan, any Mohammed Al-Hassan. You are going to meet the best out there, the most experienced out there, top level football out there. So we have Champions League final, and I will say Salah, any man in Jinawa. Oh, yeah, Ghana, and I know put on say expectation is so high, and they say the BCI. It's for me, dropping Mohammed Al-Hassan isn't a problem for Coach Kwesiapia. Baby, a problem no me wo any mfimfini anymore. Can so here miss for this now. So here Thomas Day Party. Oh here 3 year akwa. Oh here Mubarak Wakasu. I don't know the record that someone will play. Did I you? So here 5 players we are the Ebenezer for you want to be any be. Adia on Opiani control in midfield. None of these players now was a be. So bo game. Opponent na won na bon ye share Nigeria bi ye share Senegal bi ye share Morocco amome food nye key Egypt amome food nye key omo control game no e we half of the picture ye be hi obi onu so betimi abeboa ni a control game na take game to other opponents. Wakasu is not that type. Thomas Tepate is not that type. And these are the 2 key central midfielders. Every year is not that type. And so we check the lineup of the Blasters. A controller in the midfield. Yesia Benin nom, yesia Burundi nom, omo hunye hu bebebe. Kwa ko pake bass no. E wo chiri ho. We need those players to control the game. From baby you be pick a ball no, deep in midfield. So the be a bit me create holes in other opponent area. And you very key pa. And Ken, this is a player or Sadiam. Yeah, team in anything. You need that team in midfield. Team be any Sadian be I can no break. This a wood pack ya na so fat wingers. Now the no akwa but unfortunately on the right the demon ball they are fast. I will give you those things. But on the right you are suspect. Into see here things are on betting me dinner to we may need those kind of yet mean cobo ragged place ya be a hoden near near dim fin no. And until I remember do man to me make less no. And your denny hoden is too much. Per our previous teams I had to call Afcon. And this particular time, see a person making impact out there. We need those players in there. And that's why I made from the Sakoya mechanical. I'm holding in Karibuga. The system doesn't suit that way. Because you need fast wingers. And it's likely Thomas at Japan crowd or fast in the team will be dropped. In TSI gave never quack or yeniha. The bet said the Nikan mobile arena. Scrappy, lethargic games. Oh, her born and near her. And Ken, with the coaches out there, you don't need those things. It's definitely Coach Kwesiapia need to keep that boy. Wapobiami actually on a good day what he brings to the party. Okay, I feel that boy should be part of that list. And you guys are drop on no. You must on a consistent reason.
Say no. Come on,
Okay, a free up by mechanical. Wakazu mechanical. Thomas Pate mechanical. Obviously one needs to be dropped.
Party.
On the way out. There be Pate untouchable.
Party Wakasu.
Now I say Pate untouchable.
And Wakasu.
Wakasu untouchable.
A free aqua.
Definitely need to be out.
Just say because for the free aqua.
Definitely need to be out. Of some options in midfield. Obetting your boss as a deep line playmaker. Obetting your boss as a central midfielder.
Yeah, this is in a minute now for me.
Okay, yeah, come minutes as some big ass and maker. See, there we can see a come minutes as some waha. Young can blast us. Go blast our team year 11. Now players a minute in 2000. Into year blast and you come minutes as some why big ass and maker. As a mother, I'm feeling now about how many minutes. 10 no 400 crap. Into can't see a cocas here, come minutes as some dear, and can't come blast us. Into young fan on 20. Near shed the attributes are. Players in the betting their matching no on the photo play. Yeah, in fact, time I will be born a yakola. And you will influence politics. Who are betting your manipulate way through. And who are work clouds any idea. They can't weigh minutes as so definitely pay those because they're free aqua de be mine. Wakasu de be mine. They're free aqua de be mine on a good day party will give us same. But the ability to follow the mind, the two midfielders cannot give us those things. Can you add them about do a cash on fin? I broso. You could be at the back. You could see midfielders are almost me crab on. So who the master calaba the air. Nayasen. They are two them, Nayasen. You could see Benjamin Mukanjo Mono Nayasen. Those are players that control the midfield. Until we may need that player in the team. Now in attack, Fatah will be out. Very likely. Meaning so also within from a chain of manipulation and one thing or Klaus because of baby Odina and his management. And so what check strikers now on a goose far. Fatah on a goose, but unfortunately he may come back.
Yeah, strikers at Yomoko Nations Cup. Because it was striker and the goes back.
As a modern I share 4. Calibre Kuba I share 5. Majid Waris I share 5. What is the other name? Yawusu.
Yeah, also.
On the 2.
And Jordan.
No, okay, Jordan was it. Jordan I want.
Jordan one, I said trouble.
The best of the guys, right? And I guess he giant for
someone who plays, Mammy repeated you. As a modern I share 4 goals in 1 year.
I will take it.
I will take it. Calibre Ku I share 5 in 1 year. I will take it. Wow. Jordan, you are 1 year. I will the Premier League.
Premier League, okay.
Kwabena I share 2. In Numancia, the Secunda B. Fatah was 8. Yes. Obebefi. Obeba.
It's a level in it.
Level in your pay, but there is one thing in football. Obibo Flamingo no started Obi or Madrid or Brazil. The coach believes in him.
I say intense of yourself.
Okay.
First now.
And your first now.
And then see.
Okay, and they see Fagner will play at the right back on a good day.
Never Fagner, Mono, I can come. You don't mean I call World Cup. You don't know much to change. And the football by be a know, even the great Brazil. One confess striker be a free Flamingo and our Corinthians. na obo na obi obo ewe Europe and obo your chinchen and I didn't say sesa uko Brazil more criticize about coaches no even TT call up oye about local boys no more say Brazil dominance e football mu na na nkra na e wo no obukọ omba Europe na o masesa o makofa Europeans ne ball no mo di aba ti ama is o mo ball no kra heading sesa me no ya adwen say as a local boy so far it goes and I say you a local boy keke or international exposure wa bobo wa America da so what you say and na you cross all you free or some bag Ghana so see about there as a ball crowd Ghana no I just a Fatawe one player a Jumana or you not here Jumana say so cost run and year you can come back no was about start very good player Samina ko see apia dia come for be free kruma e de na kwase football and na me de because why you consistent your money.
Okay. The statement still holds. Christian Pavón played at the World Cup for Argentina, not top players. He can't demoutify. He plays in Argentina. Fagner was the right back for Brazil. Now man for Mubo Europe. He started. It is about the technical quality of the player and who coach. You know, the wouldn't say player and beat him the amounts. And you know, choice of players there. And you the who coaching. Who would you deal when you say? This is the player who you were talking about consistency. Why consistent? NC tournament now year born Hano. The performance as well. It is why consistent. I will keep him. But then of these boys, why now go to the door? And I'll be such a dear back one. Yeah, honey, any young player I'll be as a fan. Now corner wa mobia. Next time I be corner, he can make that opportunity. You bet me a saying a chance of Sanko upon the next tournament.
No coach be or we are tournament. And so 3 players be or mobida.
Yeah, sure.
So there is no coach. Oh, we are see our tournament, only 3 players. I would 3 be a unim se we mo mobida. Unless I did see injuries or no any. Even some players let bench crana who say oh mobi.
He has reason for
and I make a but less than part 23. Then send the part 23 there. I know make us say send us in himself our collapse no hodia. Then I say a reward draw more to crew man so back.
At least.
Miss Anna de Biami.
that fell is down.
And I make a say goalkeeper de Bia say goalkeeper de Yomoko. Second president de Bia men tournament World Cup for goalkeeper and call free crew.
Yeah.
But
And I World Cup be war. If you are saying a tournament to be a young phobia and free crew mango. Oh, you goalkeeper. Keep on Quani Yomoko. A goalkeeper in Yomoko. It is a more one slot to be war. And is a hot year, Nippon bench on better idea. At least as a one player. And all the 3 local boys no more form now. And that's what they aim for 2 now, 2 or more full players now. The position no bother now because if we go there. But I just think you deserve such.
Okay, one underlie as there are positions and that be a make an amount for Timas. Your position you hide the big boys in able. You see, I can't strikers now tournament in the airport. See, I just see about 5 matches. Let's assume you about both finals.
I see I got 5 matches.
I see I say about 5 matches in Nigeria year free.
I know by no kind.
I said okay.
I'm
Oh, okay, we're in if you why we're in if you okay. I was here about 5 matches in Nigeria.
I just say be free more quarter final.
But we are going.
Oh no, I say I know okay. Say I know okay. When you
5 matches in the video be free.
Say I got 24 more.
24. The round of 16. Near about quarter final.
Yeah, sure.
Until 5.
Also Nigeria be year free. And share that news be because I can say following you into no more. Until share that news be.
No Nigeria team
it's okay, the American say see I year opa obi any 3 still after will not make the list strikers no so pick here Kaliba Kuba no be ball last 2 goals obviously one pass test no baby jet mo Klaus kula net coach not bench na kura ote ho Jordan ho obviously the 3 players who made the list Majid Waris mo no omo we kosi apia darling boy out be any anytime he has been in the blast fight on fast shima Ghana
after watching your fit and I can no be dem power
Kobe used to be free.
let's
say no coach in the plans
let's say Kakalebu ni Kobe
can be Kalebu
and I can't be about so no you cat on Kobe obi an this argument to the prize we Ghana player be the caliber
Senior player be na enko
okay What's it?
Nka senior player bi na enko.
Of the name that I've mentioned, one and Kenko.
O ntina na Jan no ye we no. O ne kasa. Oh, me
Listen,
no cry.
Jan the one can't tell some fanenko.
There be o. Jan there no to on ne say initial or say Assad when obey here no de ne beba. That is what Ode to us. And no
Let me say you are giving an information.
Yeah, the internet coach need him say, my prayer was said, Jan will not be fit on time. Think of the Kuba and Beko.
Kwasia Pia Kwasa Moja who will take it. Eko catch them and say, when he's fit, he will be the main man for the afternoon.
That's a more kind of a plan.
Okay. Yes, now
I mean, you argue about fitness.
Yeah.
So people catch you say, oh, you're fit, I want to have a bar. I just said, oh,
Yeah, sure.
now play a own pray. Yes, oh, you're fit. Now play on your fit, don't know.
So indirectly, he's trying to tell us, oh, Shadang.
Because when you're fit, I'm going to go.
there became two types of fitness. Your match fitness and your fitness. Obini match fitness umbrai. And obi a pra when you're fit.
One come my fitness.
Okay.
Also, so you're fit, I want to have a bar.
Yes.
And it means I know a prayer.
And the will plan what on. And of course, twice.
Ghana will be to me pra, yet to me manivasa or their man in Kobe. It's not coaching is trying to tell them, so we're proud they are on Casquan. No. Send a bit of Betty as a free down. And then I'm in Adumana or Tia Ponte.
And the king. Two things. Baby Jet is back. And when he is back, Ken, if Baby Jet is back, it is the obvious choice, Ken. He is the obvious choice.
No, but for three strikers.
Yes,
three strikers. Nti, Jordan, Asamoah, and Calibana.
Obey me the first strikers I call. Hoping said Jordan can play on the left. He can play on the right.
Over to withdraw Jordan said Jordan may join it for this
wingers. Because social natural wingers are. They will play on the right. Because they ball no born in any in 15 or the moon ball. Cristiano will be on the left. Until you need 4-4-2 near ball. 4-4-2 Ghana coach be also wingers me no to bench. The muya dia back happy free. Na me no abishi. So obviously Thomas Japan can. On only one player. The minutes na nye de na me ni 313 minutes for the year. But say oh check here there back wa blaster player bia ni bi. E America. Ni America no so nye America tuo kwa. He runs with the ball. And you productive. Until on na dia or at least enko a secret weapon. But also man the big boys now it will be very difficult for him to make the list. Very, very difficult because okay. On see one player say any different man will be a crowd.
But there are times I will call tournament towards our player visa. We can drop one of the defenders. It depends on what defenders we see one. Because Ubani we are there now pursue defender. Then we can bring one of the men for this. What you know about join or and no make us say tournament no. So you call tournament and your league in Yakobo.
Yeah, sure.
90 minutes. Oh, yeah, and you need quite a fast over winning games now. So what you say? It's a tournament here you win 7 matches and 7 matches are champions. Oh, win 7 matches are champions.
Enough.
I
said now come. Enough.
Yes, so cry more than more from power.
We are quite happy.
Don't tell me the baby I want to win 7 matches in your trophy.
Okay.
Quite happy.
He's anything.
Say, almost only
Can I say now because I'm quite happy coach. What is what we need 7 matches at once.
But national team coaches cry no days of a cassette tournament will be winning 7 at Argentina.
Nobody maybe I'm not drawn here while winning the first 2 games. Maybe a last round of game no group stage.
For Ghana.
They will make about all the big teams. No, I drop to be a points to be
maybe our bench players because of the okay. On what you said, you are coming to talk about tactics. Also in the program. Now, so picky players are. What's in Yasa or the defenders baby beko. Then when you pick players, who players are all picky say Team Blue you are not going to play 4 back. So you need a versatile player. Team Blue you go to 3 back system. Yeah, Habinia. But could because you have to 3 back is definitely to be the old system. If it tends to be the old system, then so person will sacrifice will be for a forwarder. You sacrifice a player out here that on your versatile. And no okay, you want a versatile player. Say Harrison, you have a player that can play on the left and on the right. Baba Rahman, a left now. John Boy, central defense now, Bonocrat say, and Wakason Kubutu. Casino, central defense now. Jonathan Mensah, 4 man ayira, but still the old name. Into 5 for Hona Albon. Onhu what you may not to right. And the Yado. Send what fitting into the setup of the Blasters. Send why consistent in the Blasters. Into where then what can say these players they will be versatile for their team.
The Benin crack. Time they call you because I ain't crack. And you have Blasters with you not you're going to crack. But Thomas Japan. A crown dear. Can you Blasters in the Zenko? But they say, okay, so players may do more. I agree with Andy. Or I give a Kubia. Me Pesadia, who said the beyond so more can. Now, mobile players, the young with the football, no, a trim. Sunday, when a only player who pays, Tim be only players or more pace, the only team in the cup. You can't. So I just say, who players more move around with the ball. Who players on which once a ball, player the ball to America, once a Christian, a Trisha Warrior. I'll let your tournament to be a could be as on a best player.
That we get last 2 have gone the day back on share back.
Any idea?
The last time was the day.
That guy, what back could watch a best player. But they can't about say, oh, 18 now. Or some ball, no one. It's only Ghanaian or crab on our CBB island.
Can so on what year you can find in the Ghanaian.
And that's a Japan guy or your young boy there. But Ukrabon, not the ball, but almost at the end. So, I tell you, I just said the 2 or 9 at 10 and a day. And then, so I have somebody and there's some cow. Now, we're more multi. So, I didn't know any ball movie more. And not the Lucas Moore could number 9 cry because of football, I'll bet to my run your players. But as I said, I'm quite yes, we were typical striker. Born so many more. Born I have one Quenimo, also was striker. I didn't say you coach with my head.
So, dear, you manage and no,
maybe I'm who
can there be any sort of can I am a moonjai out with my head? Edgeman and no, dear.
I don't know.
2 years.
I was about to do 2 years.
2 years and I get out. You know, I did.
John Boy and the Yadom, no Mudada. Raman, no Mudada. Lumona Abefra, Kasim, Jonathan Mensah, Dada for na Odie, Usha listing out to say, if many are innocent, you be your film. Nada for now, they may train or the 23 in the bar. You better last after 1 year compared to 23. Near beside say, Unya more than 70% of players still going out to Canada swab a waiting for. Okay. Can I say, say last AFCON 23 near the coin. Near the compare AFCON where I got 23. Now about 70% that's woman. What do you mean? 2 years now by not be waiting for.
Master, what will you?
Yeah, okay. Someone bought in some 1, 2, 3. This was they did kind mess record of company for. We there any demo. A good say you be hype a place. But say the hype and try. And more be soon take it serious. But what I say, because then phone now banning internet are banning thing and go for ready power. It wouldn't send me better or now more than say because social media then no crap. Now what better than laughing stuff, people laugh at you. It be only a say I grow but emfa. Any bloggers in can they make any answer? Sonny Yakuba is a very good player. We all respect the Obeya Makoto. But Burkina naturally etalo be unfriend. Consistently they be any friend or be cried their better or say national team cried your own corner. Yeah, the first one that came was officially there's some more receiving. Yes, of course. The first one that came and almost all more receiving letter near day. It came here and we dealt with it. It's almost take a second look at it. Me person could the chance to play in the Burkina national team because of the work he has done. But the reality is a young friend. Burkina and no we are globally open. Until you have be but also what I say. It constantly near a friend of Burkina now be called Burkina national team name you are. I don't think it fits well for them and the team. King Black Stars no. On say the 23-man squad near Deco. But I'm mobile who quite so bit to me the provisional list aba. Na business and cardena young farm on cost straight. The entire sometimes and say injuries be to me aba. Na quickly no say what replace would Obia one and nam. Obi crowd player na be to me pull out say a family reason to me enko na o the replacement aba and it's a what the provisional list in a bar and yet bunny and then yet bad because it means that Cameroon is almost the 34-man squad nearby but on that 3 minutes at about 23 but coaches need be so what they know their team already to almost me name 23 na or the court tournament no but ningi na mu say na ye kan again yet players do our best short list or more and kakra na obefa na be kire say tournament wo koya de be mum dia wa be kwa akoye wo tournament no eno ene to me eboa on the local components in there na compensation keke say hearts ne kotoko they should be compensated. Oh yes, it's true. So me na me himself on bed drop it. Felix na be ko bombe drop it too na I can. And they design the catch they will be dropped.
Because our teams on going to my
yes, of course. Say night say almost feel said yeah. But yes, or mummy no almost sorry gang yeah. A be issue. It is as a Felix kwa he deserve but has can't complain because the player was called. Kotoko player was also called. Ken what I say. Intina because the American say coach nankasa players mienu o Ghana ha na need your machi pa as a nyoma call 13 nka at least or mu baako betumi make squad no now make squad no so be kwa understudy the senior players for example Achu na wo kan na o hwe match o baako so be understudy your friend say Achu and na branch your friend Kwame Conte ono so no your player na need na chi pa but problem match or dey injury na buy na cutting him out and a contest so the and say free or buy no na playing time na insha da emma it na is a form no eco form it with these two boys that I can tell you confidentially say na omono to me live up to that time where fit that possibly is at least one they make you win nanka great but ningi na mono ken ya bobo boso Ghana ya bobo boso aba me match on there so me sama blasters ni mpenifo na di omo ko nyina one in oh yes one in this me Ghana ni metia tax it me sika na de hwe oh yes Ken oh ya Ghana ni yes metia tax pa Ken utia tax pa if you can tax na utia na so semi so mo utia tax because to ade ya te obi atua tax ten na ya ka bom kaka na de ko hwe na se Ken wo has a nanado fro so adwuma wo ye na ye nkofo ani ji wonti wo so je $10,000 a month a wonya Ghana na enye boni and if that's not about hospital na duro ni wo but ye be hwe mo ma ko je
what you adwuma mo ye adwuma na
said man wo ya ma Ghana for
nanado say oh yeah dey
now we fi say you say na say buy say or partner private enterprise no my one district one factory it is a private man e bia adwuma o fa nipa ye bia radio to ankofo mo tie ba na all over no ma akoma tom ye o mo nyare pressure ma aban to edro so mo ntina pressure ba aban be to edro ntinye say obi ye dabi so obi kra ye na edro no oton de boa Ghana for aban to be discussion ntiye nyina nya bia ye nti warning ne say Ken and obi aso ne be ya address de atinye ya ko tournament man sem hunu aba bebre over the year sem hunu bebre aba Brazil die we die ye nye ye we na mpanimfo mo de girls yo mo na so na nkwala na Canada ntokwa eba na obi bo we asum ni ade Ken esase wo Ghana captain ho asem de Jamaica won no e na ya kan ma nyame adom asomdwe aba enti se wo ye player wo ye coach wo ye management member so wo ye support empo journalist na wo tournament you are going as an ambassador of Ghana Ken ba chote mase ye Ghana for ne ye de ye sika amamo ye ne ya asoma amamo ye mpese ye beti sanse hunu biem wo Egypt wo biem Eriken ka me mesre na nado ne aban se so mo koye sa rough na mo ba se ye match obi akogu se Cote d'Ivoire ye bi in 2000 nations ka mbeka ba ka yokomo the match o mo kogu se woni eno mpo na o man kwaye boni o ayese team na o mkuta na o mu free first o ba say hey sa mo nko o nyina akogu se
Togo na yi o mo free
Togo na yi o mo e free one of Cote d'Ivoire team be bi o mo level o be duru ye Yankati yam enkai betum so egom
I said Coiva sa no
yes so na say soldiers o mo wa ha Ghana soldiers so obi ajom ye betum egom so menka say o mo ye rofa Ken mi nwe mpacho okay o ye story we Ken yemfa o ye story Korea dem Son who men crow about Champions League final or World Cup or mo say Germany kwa ka say so wan kwa any service ye be dey obi jai born bo akwa ye military work say ye to me discipline o ma dia Ghana why can't no mo nye Ghana for you to make this no but me your sure so mo nkwa yes cap ni je de men ka so mo go tournament obi because sana ne ye kana Senegal player ne ye fe ne de gine na obo Galatasaray or say 30 goals on nkwa Yes, on no crash or best start you so start you minimum. It is an hour on Quago said those say strikers or my drop of no more Mukoina. It's the Anjan and you with Bamum young quiet Eduma Park. In my last story is a strike issue no. Kotopasa made pa. Because say a huge investment sika any of the asemi the year business. Can you see how been to me in fast over FMD? And fan kwa ye bibi wa Brian Yansman, yes, you betting. Because or say a brand will be any mass, yes, I see a co market say a co sponsorship near idea, or best say your image. Until see a chin. And I say, or see it in a family council. It is a protocol a yebia. Bibia new way ye bonny, but mum dear tini. Me feel say I will see a fat different approach. Say the bear a day as some river buying in item because say ye be kwa Africa, ye be ye we are, ye be Fred the same protocol supporters ye and Kobwa. Yen to ticket. Is a papa be Yamishan or talk close to 30,000 worth of ticket, but all I say. A yen you more yen or munyes can on the beboa team. It will be one not a Canadian brothers near the now see a protocol for most invested pa. Ain't in Cadia say ye near one. I was saying he visited shops. Ebi I ain't doing calling now, got better doom dear. Shops no or ye visited every shop. And the key acquire shops net told Jesse's near who been yen your Martinez is okay. Ye won't say moto idea ni be mo nya ne kwanso. Na ne kwanso no de betumi aye ni. Se mo pese Jesse na moto ye be mamu bi. Na mom de de mamu ye be mamu percentage. Kini ba what ma say. Nti e bia say o ton ba ko na 100 Ghana, wo de e bia 30 Ghana. Nya me na make depending on the akotoko emmoka. Kin say no basa. Kotoko nanse na de nyoma kra ba be go shop no muma because nkofo ni capital o mo de be fa nyoma o
bush market na be na be
it's ye wie sana because I say me be shop e bia me ni capital na mo de nyoma be gu mama me to am nya me commission I will live it nti ye wie finally no na omo anso kotokofo ni chips abon aya advertisement e dia massa shop so okọ shop we bi okọ shop we bi o e di nkofo to ne bebre no omo kotokọ ni chips abon so be nyom sika na we mu so enyom de se na be ya se de bi na ba se ye ba Africa so mbeboa na omo so atumi abeboa nti police station issue de mesre for now there yenko yinfrio
yenya asem
yen solve na make have na bi yenya ye busuya
but that's a pioneer I am so na yes but asumi go catch you ya sani awie ne dia no so mo koi na mo ko there
ya nia ken
so mo koi so ko ni ma branch na o chiwachi wo
me kind of nimpa de
unkai no amankwa solid FM wakwacha America America so na say me won say emi na ma ko bayi no ma pompo mapa
abamba ya u scan ba
what's mu twa 10 years
say dollars ni wu ya na uni baba ko so ho
oposo
oposo
mama so amu na o
hey solid let's call you
amu na pompo mu na
opoles na
azoto me na
kwa me azoto so
but you say azoto me na start working fast
no
okay
na azoto
and wakona
last time it is our papa so mo ke
and what ha
oh
azoto oba ki ma me ni na ti
boss na
me ti ano
ye man kremofo nyina baraka sala we say na yinte say me body kakama 2-3 bi
because no problem
now the body
say Dauda Police onu yisi for onu kotokoni na Sule Alaba na ye director Alhaji Audu na director Isaka Alhaji Sule chapter na chama na Baba Shai Abbas Sule na Ishaku Mark
bi ache obi
Honorable Salu jo na Prince Ali na ye mo nyina baraka sana ko kotokofo no so Professor Foyo na Habib do ko musu kotokomacho no onye macho no na de hu no onye macho na Baba Lasan eso ya Alhaji Baba Lasan nse na afọ ni di ni ya Nafisa o ya Nafisa amu nyina baraka sala na Asgod former PRO Asante Region Aminu
Zuri FM
Zuri
na host
host program boy
nyina baraka sala na nkramofo nyina we are for na food special football fans no kwa chapter na afọ no so SK mu na Rashid mo tesa omu nyina dos na papa
Sani
boss player boss player my member happy Eid sorry, he didn't fit it.
So be careful.
Boss, he didn't air to. Yeah, he didn't add anyway.
Yeah, the America be in.
Wana mo ka se nkoko no nkoko we nye na ntwe de different. We ye nkoko
no pano na
no ntwe sere
na say no. Asa ye no mo sense ne be. Ye nim say suso ina ne nim say. Ne odwan. Asa different.
We ya e de fitre.
That me de kwa na kam ne o mo tonton na ntwe na be kasa. Asa go for drop ya ba.
Eduru we dey a no say na mo drop ma. Dem na kumba. We na say nkoko ni mu na
we ye nkoko
ni mu na say
me say ayi na baba nkoko.
Na you ada ni ne. Boss play me timi mbo no bako ma me mbo yo on say ukotongo a yo base o ka say bobo a e bi obenya problem ha nti first one atemaka base e edukro ha ina ukọ edukrom asewa brayaro eya wata biem me ne uka say kra o mo biem shop o baba mo ho hack mo Ibrahim o mo doso na usako bo ban a ye 11k
ayi ma
11k oton enam ho enumere bia o ha ono so omo ho ena ye organize say ye be organize salagala no ye doso and all the teams mpanifo ni na coaches ni na any footballers na mbabo ni na ye sere omo say this year dey very different amanfo epeso mbeboa unse zongo no ebi wo bibi wo omo mind me say ebi a bibi be si but ye be 18 years ni ntakwanchi wa abuda
police crime ba ho
ye fa police soldier fombo ball no tension wom but ye nkunta be 18 years ye nkunta na boss player ni say e story bi efa Martin Kevin Ando Mr. Asante Kevin Ando was a very good player
nemu
o sa Asante Kotoko nyabote because boy no bobo match o tadi board ya bro me na make a chom oni bobo but o munya abotre mana o menya so for so sai ne boy no ti o onu we re hwenye
Sani ene kwa de bola
ke ye bobo
so quick
so very mazi
we see kemufuni na
what kind of bro father
oh we the mamin country mamin country uza na metiso ame ena matu akobosen
me ba so ko afenya me da
me ye kemu nipa
me ba wa fe pa
me wo mu
ba what
me ye wo mu tumu me banani o
ye na I sorry fasting time we stadium
sedi
ya yes ah ye bia ya sorry
me ye ni ntino ho ni ko ate me ba na me di mu tutum mi tiri nyala mu ya mi ko yuto mo nam ejire ma mu ya na ma yedi no wo ye sa na hu ye
asori le ye ni na ye
wada wutimi nya ana waka wono otumo mo mbeti ba ye no ma ye ni mum na do ya wo sa me ye wo ho no wo se fe me
de bia ye ni na
ye no me no mo ale ye wo mje sabi sidi akwa no me papa bi nja ma fo hu ena nya fruit five no muso mi no fruit o mu ni
friend na
na fast na akwa no fast no we ma wa ho ena me zuma ho di na wo di fast no e wo fam enti ni wasu mo bi ahu se me nya nso
na fast na kwa me do yare a ni kwasa foso
me yare zumi timi nya ni mo na do ya wo se me ye no
I condition da
me ye okay se bi so anya wo se okopu obi o no ye bi no na se bi amu na yi na wo de man
de
bia na me yire ne me man so mo ye so me sponsor mo ene nyame ago ma so
enkran ne we mu na mo ina afre
o mu ina o mo ene kwa mu o ye enti ni no o mu nyina o ye bushia masala chintia wa ne tie enti me wishi bushia kramufo nyina si de sani sika no se wo ka se o ye wo ko se bi so a ade ne wa mo bi enti o mu nyina e hye awua no obi ehun se utimi bodi ni wa fidie so se ba bi kwa wo na o ma chance ye mo bo si ka se wo bank ne kwa yempon enti ye bi so mu nyina
especially me mama
e na wo ko so ame so a wa wo ni chief imam wa wo nipa
chief imam
o mu nyina wo so ame kramu
na be ye sala wo
so ame so ni no an be ye
nti o na mbe we
boss play time no 10 am
central mosque
mpenyimfo say this time the entire ma o mu dile ni say politicians ni etimi ba on say penyim ka so oba o say o twen no oba ansa na asona ba o mu say mpenyimfo na chom bo say o mbe duru 9:30 sorry Debbie mon tip and come free chief mamu
me ba wo me pa che say o ye panyin na say wo ba aso ye say wo ntie ntwentwe
ya bi o da ma fo frefretie ena etimi buru 10 no but nkofo say o so mo frefretie ni traffic ni nti o mo say 10 no 10 pepepepe ne enti wo fia aha wo fia by 10
ade ba ko me na me ba no me fa central na police panyin bi dia tell me say me nka se tena e be yi no sabi saadi no edi moto ye ho no le twem ani ade asubie ni ye tie tie no ye na subie ye be stress boys no mo sa no ye be to moto china moto mo ni ye to mo ya
ni fala cho mo mbe
na ade mo ye je tema ye nchwa sa o mo se se wo ya so ni no mo chiwa o mo hu se se wo nem tu eso se o se na ya di
me ne police for ya ga ba moto se obetim the motor local speed when you remember some kwa ba so first time so in 5 years
ki de bi o be
so mo ko akasa wi awa mo kotokoti
onya ka say we
na abroju ma papa wa gaji na
lion no
na me dia tu che na abroju
ma se brofo
na brofo ka trebi na owo brofo we dey monitor we dey Macintosh
hey
the brofo tu
show
na
tobo Macintosh
ma in Macintosh
na so de mood
na brofo de mood papa
hey na oko na
ko university ina mkoko
oko fa archives na wo be encyclopedia
and it's
because brofo mood
we ka chena na mu say yes
Macintosh na we sure say nchemu no be ba
oh Macintosh dey
we sure
cross here dem
Macintosh
ni chemu down
it's saying
Macintosh Cholobia
hey